Here we have a 2024 Mazda CX-50 GT Turbo all-wheel drive. And this with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder turbocharged engine in a snowflake white color. So take a look inside. On the side, have a nice leather armrest, power locks in the mirrors, black leather upholstery, all throughout. Power driver lumbar support. Hop inside. Got an air vent on the left. Have our camera view button. So we have a front camera, 360 camera, as well as side cameras. Park sense audio toggle button, your traction control system, iStop, power trunk, and memory seat functions. Have our audio, radio, Bluetooth controls, paddle shifter, auto headlights. On the right hand side of the steering wheel have our adaptive cruise control functions, other paddle shifter, and your auto ring wipers for the front and manual wipers for the rear. Infotainment on the right side, you can see there's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Information screen for fuel efficiency, Sirius XM travel link, and vehicle status monitors. Entertainment. Source list have FM, AM, Sirius XM, Pandora, Bluetooth, and a couple of USB inputs. Communication, if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, you can do so via this screen. If you do, you'll have access to your contacts, text messages, Mazda roadside, dial pad, and other communication settings. Navigation. We do have full nav available in this CX-50 GT Turbo. All your nav settings in here as well. Give you a little scroll through. And into our other settings. So first we have our in-vehicle displays, which includes the active driving display. Adjust your height, brightness, tilt adjustment. If you don't want it on, you can toggle it on or off there. You have nav guidance, street name, lane guidance, and traffic sign recognition. Sound settings. Your bass, treble, listening position, fader, balance in your Bose stereo mode, center point, and audio pilot. Safety settings here have our driver assistance system, which is your Mazda radar cruise control, the cruise confirmation, speed limit, sign, alert, and threshold. Our safety alerts got our rear cross traffic, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring. Active safety have our lane keep assist system. Collision avoidance have our smart brake support for the front and the rear. Our view monitor. Just like your guidelines for your cameras, as well as parking sensors for the front and the rear of the vehicle. Moving on down, start stop engine button, dual zone, automatic climate control functions, heated and ventilated seats for the driver and the passenger, a heated steering wheel, front and rear defrost, 2 cup holders, backup camera, and 360 cam, auto hold, electronic park brake, got my drive mode, which includes your sport, normal, and off-road drive modes. You got a wireless phone charger tucked away under there. USB inputs, as well as SD card insert tucked away in the center console. Dual moonroof. We got our sunglass holder, your moonroof controls, interior lighting options, and a rear view mirror, which also has your garage door opener buttons. Let's go take a look outside. This front has the LED headlights, black finish grill, front parking sensors, engine block heater, and tires on Mazda alloy rims. Paint matching door handles and black colored mirrors. Got rear tinted windows, roof rails, LED taillights, CX-50 all-wheel drive, and turbo badges here at the back. The parking sensors, rear exhaust. Power trunk available here as well. Opens up automatically. We have 50/30 split with the rear seat. And the door in the back with some extra storage. Stuff. Let's go take a look at the back seats now. Some of the back seats have nice armrests, power windows, tons of legroom and headroom, the same leather upholstery as we have in the front. Rear air vents, heated seats for the 2 end passengers, USB inputs. You can also fold this down and get 2 cup holders and an armrest. That'll wrap it up for the 2024 Mazda CX-50 GT Turbo all-wheel drive. If you have any questions or want to book a test drive, please visit us at Park Mazda CX.